Hello children, here is another set of jumbled sentences. What you have to do is rearrange the words in such a manner that we get a sentence that has a meaning. It should make a sense. Let us see. Friend is Rahul, my best. These are the words. You have to frame a meaningful sentence using these words. Friend is Rahul, my best. You can pause the video and write the answer in your notebook. After writing, you can check the answer. Here is the answer. My best friend is Rahul. My best friend is Rahul. Next, in class study same we. The words are in class study same we. Can you try and make a meaningful sentence out of these words? You can pause the video and do the work. Yes, the answer is on the screen. We study in same class. Let's go to the next example. A very boy kind is he. The words are a very boy kind is he. Use these words to frame a meaningful sentence. Let's check the answer. He is a very kind boy. The next one. Two next sit each other we. Think about these words. How can you use them to make meaningful sentence? Pause the video and try it out. Let's check the answer. We sit next to each other. Here we go to the next one. Boxes daily share lunch are we. Boxes daily lunch share are we. Try making a meaningful sentence using these words. Pause the video if you need some time. We share our lunch boxes daily. Helps studies me he in. Helps studies me he in. What correct sentence can you make out of these words? Write it down. Check from the screen. He helps me in studies. He helps me in studies. At play recess football we. At play recess football we are the words. Use these words to make a meaningful and sensible sentence. Let's check. We play football at recess. We play football at recess. Always laugh me makes he. Always laugh me makes he. Create or form a new sentence having meaning out of these words. He makes me laugh always is the correct answer. He makes me laugh. Always is the correct answer. Politely speaks very he. What are the words? Politely speaks very he. Use these words to form a meaningful sentence. He speaks very politely. Best love friend my eye. Best love friend my eye. And here we get the answer. I love my best friend. I love my best friend. With this, we come to the end of this video. Keep practicing more and more grammar lessons.